IP address range. IP address range provides information about the possible exposed systems and other information such as country in which the system resides, autonomous system number, admin email address, source of information, and physical location of the office. The tools that will be used to collect such information includes ip2location.com, appnik.net, and ultratools.com. Let us have demonstration of each one of them one by one. Here let's see the IP address ranges. We go to the site ip2location.com and we'll search IP address ranges by countries. Here is the list of countries in alphabetical order. Let's visit Austria and here is the range of IP addresses that is allocated to this particular country. It provides you the beginning IP address as well as the end IP address. If we scroll down, we find that there are plenty of IP addresses. Let's search for Belgium-based IP address range. Again, you can find there are plenty of IP addresses that are allocated to this particular country. And the list goes on and on. It says that you can download the complete free data in CSV format. Here you can download the format in CSV. You need to fill the information and sign up. You can also get the data by city of the countries. And as you can see, the database size is 41 MB. Here are the details of how the database is set up. Now let's visit the appnik.net and let's go to ripe.net and download one of the zip file. I'll open with the archive manager. As can be seen, the IP address range is allocated to France and the format is IPv4 and the status is allocated. Similarly, you will find the range for various countries. Now let's try with ultratools.com website. Let's provide the IP address range and click the Go button. Here you find the start IP address and the end IP address, the total number of address, the class, the net mask, and its binary format. If I click the IP address range, I find plenty of information from appnik.net. The INET number, the net name, the description, the country, and couple of more information such as the organization name, the address, the email address, the last modification date, etc. Certificate information. Information includes assurance, subject alternative name, issuing organization, issuer common name, issuer unit, issuer country, certificate revocation list, and supported TLS extensions. And the tools that will be covered here includes searchdns.netcraft.com and census.io. Let's have a demonstration of each one of them one by one. Here we will use netcraft.com to find certificate specific information for facebook.com. Let's go to the site report. Here is the site report. Now if I click the HTTPS site report, I find couple of information like for SSL and TLS certifications. The assurance is organization-wide validation, the common name, star.facebook.com, the organization, the state, the country, and the organizational unit. the subject alternative name, the validity period, the hostname match, the protocol version, the public key length, the issuing organization, the issuer common name, the issuer unit, the issuer country, the certificate hash, and it also tells us this site does not support the SSL version 3 protocol. Also, it provides the vulnerability related disclosures. Here we will find out the certificate specific information. We will use the website here as census.io followed by /certificates. Here is the list of certificates, and as you can see I have opted for Windows.net related certificate. As you can see, the subject DN is mentioned, issuer DN is mentioned along with the serial number in decimal and hex format. The validity of the certificate is also mentioned, and the names for which it is valid is also mentioned, followed by the fingerprints like SHA, SHA-256, SHA-1 and MD5, and other relevant information is also available